Goodbye, old, ratty, tattered, starting to rip up, won't sit mounted right, OEM 6-speed shift knob. Bless it. It's been a good knob. Seen some better days, certainly. But we have got this Super Class. It is a runabout 5-speed knob. I ordered it off Prime MR2, which doesn't bother me any as far as I'm concerned. It's just an anti-theft tool. Now everyone's gonna think it's a 5-speed, even though it is not. It is indeed a 6-speed. But the knob feels a lot nicer. Just to compare this knob, it weighs a lot. Weighs significantly more than the old knob, but here, let me do this here. Oh, I'm gonna have to edit the hell out of this. Okay. So, new Super Class 5-speed weighted 98 MR2 shift knob. OEM Celica GT-S 6-speed knob. The stitches does sit a little different. And obviously the pattern on it is different, but that's irrelevant to me. Doesn't make a difference. This guy, it's a nice knob. I like it. It feels good in the hand. It's been nice, but this should be a significantly A, better fitting, and B, more comfortable knob, paired with my TRD QuickShifter I've got installed here. And final rotation around here, just straight on, and boom. Does leave a minor gap in the knob under the with the boot here, but like you gotta kind of get down there and look to see it. I might even just take the boot off at some point and just stick a little washer on here or something just to get it to sit up in place. I do know that Super Class has matching shift boots and e-brake boots. I don't know that the e-brake boots will fit these. I think they have them more for the MR2. But I think it looks great. Feels really nice in this position for the driver. And ooh. Feels don't mind my stocky shifting here, but been out of the car for a while. Been driving my daily Kia Soul. This is gross, but this won't be here forever. And I imagine this will end up going away, or at least the air conditioning portion of it won't be functional. And I'll have it just set to fans that will pull heat off of the engine bay and pull it through the cabin because I don't care and don't plan on running AC in this guy. But yeah, she's got a lot of work to have done, but yeah, I'm super stoked on this. This is the first real mod I've done on the car. Has been the TRD QuickShifter and the weighted shift knob from Classe. It's been great. Black headliner, looks nice. Got that from a buddy. I need to go through and black out these little points on here, but that's whatever. A couple other things need sun visors, some other BS. Prime Performance MR2 sticker. I get this little door crunch too. That was me being stupid while I was putting on my little bit faded ass 03 plus tails on here, which personally I think are the best looking taillights on this car. They look excellent. Yeah, got a lot of plans. Gonna make her built NA2ZZ. And the front bumper's being held on by duct tape. I got holes in my fog lights. This one's just cracked, but the other one's got a hole in it. If that's okay, I'm gonna switch out to a TRD bumper eventually here. This guy is a little fucking knackered, to say the least, right here. You know, I just shove it up in there. Just leave it there. It'll pop out on its own eventually. But yeah, missing under plastics, missing fender well plastics here, goofy shit like that. I hated having to drive this as a daily because I love the car so much, and I was a little rough on it, but she's gonna get proper treatment here soon. She'll get proper treatment here soon. But I do love that car. Having oil leak in the timing case cover, which I have a good friend, MatrixXRSSC on Instagram, is gonna come help me solve my problems with that, and then I'm gonna do full poly motor mounts from BRD, Brooks Racing Development, over in the UK, along with their poly shift bushings to accompany the QuickShifter and knob, and then that will be fully done. I'll finally be satisfied with all of that. And then lots and lots and lots of other things. It won't look much like this, hopefully, when I'm done. Should be a different color with different headlights, different front end, different wheels, skirts, wing, rear end. I don't know if I've decided I want to keep the seats or not. We might swap out to different seats. We'll see. But lots of plans with it. Lots of plans. These things are just the beginning. Getting it squared back up to functioning is my first plan. It's got nearly 145, almost 150K on it, so not going to be building this 2ZZ. Going to be buying a different one to build, something with a lower mileage on it that'll hold up for years to come of being built, hopefully. But first things first, get it back to drivable so that I can enjoy it and enjoy any other mods that I get done on it in the meantime while the engine's being built, you know, as I kind of throw pieces on here and there as I get things or they become available. I'll be trying to come by, you know, Tsunami parts and Sports M parts, so It should be ridiculously fun to find those in shape, good shape, and the way I want. But I do already have a the tsunami tip, so for the exhaust. So that's one small piece out of the way. Many more to go. Many more to go, but it's a great car. I love it, and I hope you guys stick around and watch me work on this. And I might end up doing something to my daily. I might end up swapping out my daily driver, which is currently a 2010 Kia Soul, for something else, unless y'all really want to see me like do stuff to that. It's a little bit of a boring car. 2-liter automatic with 142 horsepower, so nothing too special there. But it gets me around and keeps miles off of this sweet thing, so I can work on it. Have things like the engine torn out of it and worked on. Well, this is the beginning of a very long, hopefully very fruitful project. Hope you all stick around.